Can you make a video on having multiple desires at once and how to manifest them? Well, thank you for your question, God. I'll just save you the yapping and I'll go straight into this topic. I'm going to answer this question as best I can from my own perspective, and no, this is not the "isn't it wonderful" technique. Something that has helped me with achieving my goals is understanding manifesting for what it really is. I've found a way to simplify it so that I can exert the least amount of effort and still receive the maximum amount of results. And here is the simplest explanation that I can offer to clarify manifestation as I understand it. Manifestation is an equivalent to your state of being. So if you want to achieve your dream career, you need to practice the state of being of your dream career. And what is state of being? It's a collection of your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. It's your self-concept. It's how you see yourself in relation to the world. Do you see yourself as the loser, or are you number one? Are you second best? Do you see yourself as someone who has to work hard for everything that you have? Or do you see yourself as someone who is just naturally blessed and favored or lucky? No matter how you view yourself, no matter what your self-concept is, please understand that it's not wrong. After all, it's led you to who you are today. I believe that you, even watching this video, is a manifestation that is equivalent to your state of being. The question I think everyone should ask themselves is, based upon my circumstances, what is my state of being? To further expand the question, you could ask yourself, what have my thoughts been? What have my feelings been? What have my actions been? What is this circumstance telling me about my self-concept? So I know this video is about manifesting multiple things at once, and we're going to get to that, believe me, but this is the groundwork that I'm trying to lay that'll make it all make sense. So you analyze your physical circumstance and you find that though you wish to have your dream career, perhaps you might want to be your own boss, the physical circumstance is a reflection of anything but that. So this is how you know you've been out of alignment with what it is that you desire, because it's not here and it hasn't been here for quite some time. In fact, you haven't seen any clear manifestations surrounding its fruition. Does that make sense? At this point, if I find that I'm truly ready to make that shift and to bring my state of being into alignment with my desire, what I do is this. I audit my thoughts, my feelings, and my actions. And I have to be honest with myself. Are my thoughts and my feelings and my actions truly the thoughts, feelings, and actions of the me that is my own boss? Do I come home from work, throw my bra off, watch TV, and then fall asleep? Do I spend my weekends and all of my free time watching TV until I fall asleep? If you were your own boss, or even if you are your own boss, do you or would you consistently spend your time in this way? These actions that I would hypothetically take would be reflections of my real thoughts and feelings, right? And now is the point where I want to introduce the term assumptions. I'm assuming that I'm not my own boss. Maybe I'm even assuming that I could never be. And this is what makes up my self-concept. This is what my state of being is made of, and thereby what my physical equivalent, in other words, a manifestation, will be. When you want to manifest more than one desire simultaneously, trust and know this. You are always manifesting multiple things simultaneously, because manifestation is just the equivalent to your state of being. So if you change your state of being, you will change your reality. And whether immediately or eventually, you'll change all of the little details that make it up. Let's use this for an example. Let's say our name is Henry and this is our list of desires. So, number 1, we want a new car. Number 2, we want financial freedom, more muscles. Number 4 is we want a girl to adore us, a better apartment. The question is, how would achieving each of these things make us feel? So let's start with number 1. If we had a new car, we might feel, let's throw some ideas out. Maybe a sense of security. Because you've got a new car, we might feel as though we're worth something, so worthy. We might feel worthy, at ease, confident perhaps. Let's say we had more muscle, we might feel very attractive, desired, desirable, although I'm pretty sure that's like basically the same word. So do you see how all of these random desires have so many emotional and energetic elements in common? The way these desires make you feel when you think about them and you appropriate them and you assume them is the only thing that they need to have in common. That's how they're related, the way they make you feel. So you can't attract one thing without attracting the other same thing. Though they may appear physically different to us, energetically, they are the same. So to answer the question, finally, how do I attract multiple things at once? Focus where it's easy. Focus on feeling the way you believe the attainment of these desires would feel. Focus on feeling good. Focus on behaving as though you are confident. Focus on the times in your life when you did manifest something that made you feel the way you want to feel now. Remember when he or she did love you, your specific person. Remember how adored and special you felt. Remember when you received a larger than normal paycheck. Remember that freedom and that financial liberation that you felt. For the first time in a long time, you had some spending money. You felt at ease. Remember how that felt. Now remember when he or she left you and they said those awful words to you and they moved on, but you still loved them. Remember how low you felt and unwanted. Remember all the extra hours you had to put in doing hard ass work just to get that larger paycheck. You were tired. Remember how undervalued you felt. Do you feel the difference? To summarize, persist in feeling good. And every desire that you have that would make you feel good, which is all of them, will manifest. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. So, how did you like today's video and what video would you like to see next? You let me know in the comment section down below. I really can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles. By the way, I wanted to apologize for being absent for the last 4 weeks. I have been off doing some really cool things and I will talk about it in the near future. I hope you're not too mad at me.